Here is NUCIDA's weekly forecast about the expected post-activities in the realms of software quality in the social media channels in week 17 of 2025. We'll synthesize insights from recent trends, web sources, and the trajectory of software quality discussions to identify the top 10 hot topics in software quality across LinkedIn, YouTube, X, and other internet sources. The ranking is based on the prominence of these topics in recent industry discussions, their impact on software development, and their visibility in tech communities. Each topic's ranking reflects its current relevance, adoption, and buzz in professional circles, blogs, and the mentioned social media platforms. I'll count down from 10 to 1, providing reasons for each ranking and a forecast for emerging topics. So, what will be the top 10 hot topics this week? Buckle up and let's start the countdown. 10. Shift-left testing. Shift-left testing, where testing is integrated early in the development cycle, is gaining traction as organizations aim to reduce defects and accelerate delivery. Blogs like Edureka highlight its importance in embedding quality from the start, with Asia-Pacific emerging as a fast-growing market for automation and testing. Discussions among QA professionals emphasize its role in DevOps pipelines, although it ranks lower, being a more established practice compared to newer trends. While critical, shift-left serves as a foundational practice rather than a breaking trend, creating steady but less explosive buzz than AI-driven or security-focused topics. My advice: expect shift-left to evolve with AI-assisted code review tools, potentially integrating generative AI for real-time defect prediction. 9. Infrastructure as Code, IAC. Testing. Tools like Docker and Terraform are trending for managing infrastructure, as noted in Geeks for Geeks. IAC testing ensures reliable deployments, a growing concern as cloud-native apps proliferate. Blogs emphasize their role in automating testing for operational environments, but it's less discussed on social media channels compared to flashier topics like AI or cybersecurity. Therefore, IAC testing is niche, but critical in DevOps, gaining attention as cloud complexity increases, yet it lacks the broad appeal of other trends. My advice: IAC testing will rise with serverless architectures, with tools like Kubernetes driving automated compliance checks. 8. Chatbot and RPA testing. Chatbots and robotic process automation, RPA, are vital in industries like healthcare and retail, requiring rigorous testing for 24/7 reliability. Geeks for Geeks notes their post-COVID demand surge. Blogs highlight testing frameworks for conversational AI, but social media conversations are sporadic, focusing on specific use cases rather than broad trends. This topic is specialized with steady interest in QA communities, but overshadowed by more universal software quality concerns. My advice: testing for multimodal AI, text, voice, image in chatbots will grow, integrating with generative AI for dynamic test case generation. 7. Low-code, no-code platform testing. The low-code, no-code market is projected to reach $65 billion in 2025, citing SAM Solutions. These platforms democratize development but introduce unique QA challenges like ensuring scalability and security. Blogs discuss testing frameworks for citizen developers, while the social media channels see moderate chatter among QA teams adapting to these tools. Growing adoption fuels discussion, but it's less urgent than security or AI, as it's still maturing in enterprise settings. My advice: automated testing tools for low-code platforms will emerge, with AI-driven validation for user-generated apps. 6. Performance testing for IoT and edge computing. With IoT revenue expected to exceed $1 trillion by 2024 and edge computing processing over 50% of enterprise data by 2025, performance testing is critical. Blogs like AppSierra stress testing for latency and scalability in IoT ecosystems. Social media posts highlight real-time use cases in healthcare and smart cities, but it's not the loudest topic. IoT's expansion drives testing needs, but it competes with more immediate concerns like security and AI automation. My advice: AIoT, AI with IoT testing will surge, focusing on edge-specific performance metrics and real-time analytics. 5. Data governance in testing. Data governance ensures compliance and integrity in testing, with companies adopting strong governance 30% more likely to meet goals, per SAM Solutions. Blogs emphasize their role in preventing breaches, while social media discussions among QA leaders focus on GDPR and CCPA compliance. Its mid-tier ranking reflects its importance, but it has a narrower scope. Essential for regulated industries, it's a steady topic, but lacks the hype of AI or emerging tech. My advice: expect data governance to integrate with AI for automated compliance checks, especially for unstructured data. 4. Ethical AI in testing. As AI powers testing tools, ethical concerns like bias and transparency are rising. Sunbites notes ethical AI as a priority for trust and adoption. Blogs discuss frameworks for fair AI models, and social media channels see vocal debates among developers and testers about responsible AI use. Ethical AI is gaining traction as AI tools proliferate, but it's slightly less urgent than security or automation trends. My advice: ethical AI testing will expand to include bias detection in generative AI outputs, with regulatory frameworks shaping tools. 3. Cybersecurity testing and DevSecOps. With cybercrime costs projected at $10 trillion in 2025, cybersecurity testing is paramount. SAM Solutions and Sunbites highlight AI-driven threat detection and DevSecOps integration. Social media channels are abuzz with posts on zero-trust models and real-time security testing, reflecting their urgency. The escalating threat landscape makes this a top concern, but it's edged out by AI's transformative impact on testing. My advice: quantum-resistant cryptography testing and AI-driven penetration testing will emerge as cyber threats evolve. 2. Test automation with AI and ML. AI-powered testing tools, like those discussed in App Sierra and Geeks for Geeks, automate repetitive tasks and predict defects. Blogs highlight tools reducing testing time, while social media channel posts from QA professionals showcase case studies of AI-driven automation boosting efficiency. Its high ranking reflects widespread adoption. Automation is reshaping QA, but it's slightly less dominant than generative AI's cutting-edge applications. My advice: AI testing tools will integrate generative models for adaptive test scripts, with broader adoption in SMEs. 1. Generative AI for test case generation. Generative AI, capable of creating test cases, scripts, and data, is revolutionizing software quality. Edureka and Deloitte note their role in automating complex testing scenarios. Blogs like Global App Testing praise its efficiency, and social media channels are flooded with posts from testers experimenting with tools like ChatGPT for QA. Its top spot reflects its disruptive potential and current hype. Generative AI is the most transformative trend, directly impacting test efficiency and innovation, with intense discussion across platforms. My advice: generative AI will expand into visual testing and UX validation, with tools generating realistic user scenarios. Forecast for upcoming topics. Looking ahead, several topics are poised to gain traction in software quality. 1. Quantum computing testing. As quantum computing matures, testing quantum algorithms for reliability will emerge, especially in finance and cryptography. Blogs are starting to explore this, and social media channels may see early adopter discussions by late 2025. 2. Sustainability in QA. Inspired by web design trends, sustainable testing practices, e.g., Energy-efficient test environments will rise, aligning with environmental goals. 3. Augmented reality, AR. Testing. With AR/VR markets growing to $58.1 billion by 2028, testing immersive apps for usability and performance will spike, driven by retail and healthcare adoption. 4. Privacy-preserving testing. Techniques like federated learning for testing without exposing sensitive data will gain attention as privacy laws tighten. Hopefully, this video gives you additional insights. What do you think about the hot topic this week? Write your views in the comments section below. We will analyze all social media channels and release our analysis report every Monday. Thus, follow or subscribe to this channel to keep you updated. Happy testing and see you next time.